Hello and welcome. This is my slideshow Professional Teaching Standards by Brandy Payne. SPA Standards Social Studies dictates that teachers should be knowledgeable of students and create lessons and environments to advocate for inclusion. In-task standards instruct teachers to create a learning environment that supports individuals. Theme 1 is inclusion. These standards from in-task and SPA are relevant. SPA says to prepare students for an inclusive and a fair society, and task says to make sure of inclusive learning environments. So they both have factors dealing with inclusion. SPA standards dictate that teachers should be knowledgeable of concepts, tools, and facts for social studies. So teachers need to be knowledgeable of the subject that they're teaching. In-task standards dictate that educators should have knowledge of tools of inquiry and concepts of discipline. Again, be prepared and ready and know how to teach the material. Theme 2 is knowledge. These are relevant standards. SPA says to be knowledgeable of social studies content. In-task says to have comprehension of social studies concepts. So this is really know your stuff, be prepared to teach, know what tools and concepts you could use. SPA dictates that educators should create collaborative environments. In-task dictates that educators collaborate with school professionals and colleagues. SPA standards dictate that authentic assessments pushed by data be created. In-task dictates that educators should use several methods of assessment to monitor student progress. In-task dictates that educators participate continually in professional learning and always use self-evaluation of his or her practice. The teacher should always be adaptive. The teacher should take on responsibilities as a community member to help with education growth and to move forward the profession.